Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another nesting vlog, I think vlog number 3. So today I'm going to share with you guys everything that I received as gifts from my friends and family for my baby shower. So there are a lot of things to show you guys. So stay tuned, maybe grab some tea or coffee. Let me just show you. So we have things here and here and here and here and here. All of these things I'm going to show you guys one by one. So there are a lot of things. So let's get into the video quickly. Now I know who gave some of the gifts because they had written their names on them, and some of them told me what they're giving, but other than that I have no idea who gave the rest. I mean, I don't remember. So just to be fair, I'm not going to take any names. I'll just share all the gifts one by one. So there are a lot of things that I need to share with you guys, and there are more on the sides. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I don't have any specific order in mind. I'll just go around from one side to the other. Firstly, let's start with the biggest item here. So I have this Philips Avent sterilizer, bottle sterilizer, which my sister-in-law gifted us, and I have already tried it out and it works really fine. So I think that's going to be something very useful for sure. Next, before I break them, let me show you these cups which a very sweet friend of mine gave me and my husband, which says Papa Kado and Mama Kado, which is so cute. So this is a set of mugs that she gave me along with few other gifts for the baby. So the same friend also gave me this, which is, I think, a baby carrying nest. I have not opened it yet, so let's see. Yeah, it is a baby carrying nest where you put the baby like and carry the baby like this. So this is a baby carrying nest, and I think the print and the color is so cute. She also gave this, which I think is a baby lounger, which I can put it inside the crib and place baby on this. It's like a small bedding, and it also has the mosquito net for it. I'm not going to open it now, but it looks really cute and very nice, cute prints. So thank you for that. Next, two of my friends gifted these two sets. So this one is a newborn set, and this one is 0 to 3 months. So both of these have top and onesie and bibs and mittens, socks, towels and napkins and all of those essential things in both of these sets. So I'm yet to wash them. I'll wash them, and let's see if I'll take one of the sets to the hospital. Next, this is a very beautiful gown that one of my friends gifted me. It's from House of Gulab. So this is how the gown looks like. It's a full-length gown. I actually was planning on buying this for myself. The material is so good and so luxurious, and is going to be so useful post-delivery, and I absolutely love the print. So this is a full-length gown, also has a belt. So thank you so much for this. This is so beautiful. Next, we have one whole big box of dry fruits, which is very thoughtful. I don't think I should open it fully because I've eaten a lot of it and few things might fall off. Some of the packets are open here. So thank you so much. This is also something very thoughtful. Next up, I have this huge play gym. This is from Baby Hug. So it looks like this. I'm not going to open it now because there's still time for the baby to use this. So it's like a very nice padding, and you have these toys hanging on it, and baby can do its tummy time on this, and it looks really pretty. She gave me some options for the colors, and I chose this color combination because I felt this looked so beautiful. So thank you so much. you know who you are. So thank you so much. I'm not taking any names. Definitely something, again, very, very useful. Next up, we have a hooded baby towel, a very soft one. You must have seen in my other videos, I have a similar white one which I have taken from my hospital bag, and it's the same thing in blue, and it's very soft material, very nice material. I will wash all of these. And the same friend, she also gave me something very thoughtful, which is the Philips Avent baby feeding bottles. So I'll use the sterilizer today and sterilize these bottles and few other things. So these are the small size bottles, it's a set of 2. Everybody told me that just 2 are enough initially. So thank you. Speaking of bottles, another friend of mine gave me something that is going to make my life so easy. This is a bottle warmer which I can place, I think, on my bedside table. So you just place the bottle inside this and it will warm the milk without really affecting the breast milk or the ingredients of breast milk. You know, you can't put the breast milk in a microwave, so you have to take hot water, put a bowl of the milk inside the hot water to warm it up. But it will save me all that time and I can directly use this. You can also use your breast milk bags, the ones where you have frozen your breast milk, and put it here, and it will defrost the milk and warm it up, and it will be just ready for you to put it in a bottle and feed your baby. So this is something very, very thoughtful, and thank you so much. Next up, I have again something for me. This is the Oremi Super Mama's set. So it has all of this. This is the leg foot massage heat gel. This is the whipped butter, and this is, I think, the belly exhaler oil. Yeah, this one I already have and I'm using. And all of Oremi products are definitely really, really good. I've heard from others also, and plus I have also been using and definitely love them. So thank you. Next up, I got got a NARS lipstick set, and thank you so much. I always wanted to buy NARS lipsticks because I've heard really good things about them. So let me show you. Oh, one is a blush and the other is a gloss. So thank you so much. This is something I definitely love. Next is this set, jewelry set. This is so pretty. Again, I don't know who gave this. So it has these beautiful earrings, and then beautiful, I think this is a choker, and then also a ring. How pretty is that? So this whole set, thank you so much. If my friends are watching and you are someone who came to my baby shower and gifted something from here, you can message me which one was your gift, because I don't remember most of it. After that, okay, this one I know who gave. This is a set of bedding, something very beautiful. She got it from Jaipur. So it has 2 pillowcases and very beautiful printed cotton bed sheet, and very luxurious feeling. So definitely going to use this very soon. This, I can tell you, this is from my brother. He sent it. This is a diaper bag, which is definitely going to be very, very useful. So it has this zipper where you have the insulated thing inside. So it will keep the baby bottles, in case you've heated the milk, then it will keep them warm. And there are a lot of compartments inside as well. And the print is also very, very cute. So thank you so much. Next is this set where you have all the Chico products like baby massage oil, lotion, wash, shampoo, talcum powder, cream, and all of that. There's also a rattle toy here, and soap. So thank you very much. I know who gave this because she came separately and gave me at my house. Next is, this is also something very interesting and very thoughtful. These are contrast sensory mats. So these are supposed to be very good for baby's initial brain development and even eyesight development, because initially baby can see only black and white is what I've heard, and it has rattling sounds and other things attached to it. All of these toys have things inside which will rattle, and it's something really good and thoughtful for the baby. Thank you so much. Next up, I have, this is actually a feeding pillow. If I just open this up, it would deflatten, and this is the cover for it. So this print is so pretty. So I'll not open this now. I'll just open it and it'll fluff up, and I'll put the cover on it. So definitely something, again, very, very useful. This is a bathtub. I don't know if I can open it. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very pretty color. Again, this is blue and white. I'll not open this now. So this has a padding on this, so that initially you can put baby on this, so that baby is comfortable while you give him a bath. And it also has the temperature thing. It has a small monitor kind of thing which will tell you the temperature of the water, which is excellent, which is something very useful. So the brand is Star and Daisy. I have a lot of things from Star and Daisy actually. I kept my camera on this. So this is okay, this also I know because a friend couldn't come, and then she very sweetly sent some of the gifts to me. So this is an aroma set for the house. So it has this reed diffuser, essential oils, potpourri, and oil for the potpourri. So thank you so much. So I think that's about it. Along with the bigger things like the crib, which my mom gifted, and stroller, which my mom-in-law gifted. So I'll try and insert pics of both of them here because these are big items. I don't want to take the camera there again. So I'll insert the two photos of both of these items here on the screen. So yeah, that's about it. These are the things that I received from all my friends and family. And thank you so much for everybody who came. Thank you so much for everybody who's wishing me online. And guys, keep me in your prayers. The day is coming very soon, maybe in a couple of weeks. So thank you all for watching my videos, for supporting, for subscribing to my channel. This means a lot to me. And love you all. See you all in the next vlog. Bye.